Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to draw a monster face. A lot of cool different ways to do this. Just going to be some eyes and a mouth, maybe a nose, and we're going to make it monstrous. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to go pull out, down, over here, up, out. So we got that kind of angry look, right? We want the furrowing of the eyebrows, which is such a big deal. By the way, don't forget to say hi to me in the comment section, okay? It's Halloween time-ish, close. So absolutely say hi to me. I'm going to pull in right here for that furrowing of the brow. Up, up, in over here, in over here. Line, line, line over here, line over here, line over here. Curve, curve. And now you have those eyes right there, right? You have that angry, you have those eyes right below that angry furrowing of that skin, like bam, that skin and muscle folding in. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a circle right there. Like he's really staring at the screen. You're like, oh dear, what is going on? Oh no, oh no. Line over here and I'm gonna fill in most of it. Same thing over here, line over here and I'm gonna fill in most of it. Line, line, curve, 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 curve. Gonna go over here and like smile on the side, smile on the side. And I'm gonna pull the top kind of lip area, and it's gonna be really close. There's something about it very uncomfortably close like that. And then I'm gonna be throwing sharp teeth right there. Now the sharp teeth are, I'm gonna change the sizes of them. I'm gonna try to zigzag them, maybe like just kind of try to make them as random as you possibly can. Like so. And I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's gonna be like a smile, right? And so maybe you have like a lip line right there where that guy's smiling. It's creepy, it's strange. The whole thing is weird. So let's add detail. That's all we need right now. Detail from this point on, because that's the hardest part we just did. So a lot of it's gonna be just folding like right here, like crease, folding up, 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 up. Line, line, line over here, line over here. Like so. Line here, line here, line here, line here, line here, line here, line here. Right here, these lines on the teeth here. Like so. Again, everything's a minor detail now. Nothing that's gonna like change the direction of this drawing. So that's kind of what's cool about detail. Make sure you follow the direction. So for example, like directional lines. So like if he's squinting, there'll probably be some like, you know, some scrunching around the eyes there. A lot of it is just kind of like keeping track of stuff like that. Curve line here on the top of the brow. Line here, here. Line here, here. See now, like when you know when you scrunch up your smile on the side. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. This is Halloween drawings, right? There's gonna be tons of Halloween drawing tutorials through this entire season. Just tons. I'm gonna put 3 every single day. It's gonna be amazing. You're gonna love it. We're gonna high five each other. Yes. Okay, digital high five. I said that last time. This time, digital high five. Okay, right now, write it in, or I don't know, high five your screen right now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a lot of fun through this season. Halloween is my favorite holiday. And I'm gonna add tons and tons of drawing tutorials. I want to see if I can do something new this year. Maybe I can go out and, anyways, but that's besides the point. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. But hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. It's gonna let you know when I post, and it's gonna let you know what I post. Okay, so I'm starting with the folds in the corner of the mouth. Right, that's very important. These folds dictate a lot. It makes it look a little more believable, a little bit more real when someone's kind of scrunching. This kind of scrunchingness makes, like in the corner of the mouth when someone smiles, makes it look more organic, more real, more convincing, right? It looks like you put more work into the drawing. There's so many good things that you can do with that. Line over here, curve at the top, curve at the top. And I was gonna say those basically look like a nostril, so I'm gonna make those a little bit bigger. Essentially, that's the nasal cavity, right? Something that, yeah, there you go. That's a fulcrum, is that called? Philtrum? Camera, I think it's called the philtrum of the mouth. Line right here, line right here. Again, when you scrunch your face, there's so many cool little lines that happen. Let's go below the face here too. So you got that mouth right here, curve line here, curve line here, curve line here. You know, just really simple little things that, again, so we can also kind of make that line a little bit better because that line is kind of foggy. If you want to add a little bit of shadow, you can always add a little bit of shadow from that line coming down. Over here. Right on. Right on. I'm just kind of giving a little bit of darkness there. What it does is it gives a little bit of shadow to the entire thing. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Share the video, by the way, okay? Also, check out the main website at sketchingeasy.com. There's a beginner drawing lesson there. If you want to learn how to draw everything and anything, go to sketchingeasy.com. Thank you so much. Talk to you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down. First link in the description. The very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.